हाँ जी सर हैं एक मिनट हेलो सर कह रहे हैं अच्छा चलो मैं
Good morning. Good morning. Dr. Neeraj, please start.
Okay sir, okay. So Honorable Director Professor Rakesh Sehgal sir, eminent expert Professor Navneet Arora sir, and my fellow coordinator Dr. Mukund, and my fellow colleagues, a very good morning to all of you. The general problems associated with people are time management, low self-confidence, academic-related problems, problems related to peers, emotional stress, relationships, family issues, financial problems, decisions regarding the career, adjusting to the new environment,
Yes, okay.
sleep disorders, time management, etc. According to the World Health Organization, nearly 1 among the 5 students will have some kind of emotional or behavioral issues. So mental health and well-being of students requires our attention. In this regard, Honorable Director Professor Rakesh Sehgal sir has taken an initiative of providing the counseling to the students to make them more productive through programs of awareness on mental health issues and professional counseling services. NIT Srinagar has the Counselling Cell which deals with these issues. It has the in charge Counselling Cell, Institute Counselor, and that is psychologist, and the student volunteers of the cell for its functioning. I, Dr. Neeraj Gupta, honored and humbled to address you on the behalf of our counseling cell of our esteemed institute, NIT Srinagar, and I also feel immense pleasure in welcoming you all to this online EMIT Talks series. EMIT stands for the Entrepreneurs, Motivators, Innovators, Technocrats, as these are the invitees in these talk series. Now, I feel immense pleasure to invite our Honorable Director, sir, who is also the chief patron of this talk, Professor Rakesh Sehgal, sir. Thank you for being present here with us. It would be great honor if you kindly address the gathering with your valuable inputs.
Good afternoon. A very good afternoon to all of you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, I'm very delighted to welcome and feel honored to introduce my old friend, Professor Navneet Arora, who is a very senior professor in the Department of Mechanical and Industrial Engineering, IIT Roorkee. He's known to me for last so many years, and he is a person who has not only excelled in his field of specialization, but he has been also contributing a lot to the society by means of delivering his talks on the ways to achieve excellence in life, how to actually live life, how to remain happy, how to get along well with our colleagues and our friends in our place of working, outside our place of working, and how to help society. I know that he has been
तुरंत बंद
a
करते हैं 5 मिनट
very
में इसको ये खत्म
forceful
हो जाएगा
person. He has been a true
कैसे
motivator in
हाँ हम ही करेंगे
basically getting lot many people
कोई बात नहीं
to this noble cause. I remember that few years back I met him in Lucknow, with regard to some interview that was in UP Technical University. He was also invited as an expert, and I was also there as an expert, and we shared, very happy and very good moments. There, I came to know about his, about his field of work. He has totally devoted himself for the upliftment of the downtrodden. He has been working for many shelter homes, for for the cause of many destitute children, and so on. And he is also offering his services for motivating the students in different academic institutions to achieve excellence in life. He is basically a great motivator, and I'm sure that the with the kind of his deliverance, he will be able to motivate, and he will be able to connect many of our present students as well as the prospective students to this great institution, which is NIT Srinagar. And definitely they will learn how to live life, how to excel in life, how to live in society, how to live with their colleagues, and ultimately how to achieve excellence in life. So, with these few words, I would like to congratulate Dr. Neeraj Gupta and Dr. Mukund Sharma, who are coordinating these events on behalf of the Counselling Cell of NIT Srinagar, and really grateful to Professor Navneet Arora, who has really agreed to our request, and he has given his valuable time to address our students and to really teach them how to achieve excellence in life. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Director Sir, for your insightful inputs. Now, I would like to invite our eminent expert and speaker, Professor Navneet Arora, who is the professor in Mechanical and Industrial Engineering Department, IIT Roorkee. He has obtained his BTech degree from NIT, Kurukshetra, ME degree from IIT Roorkee with a university gold medal, and PhD from Kurukshetra University. He started his career from Punjab Engineering College, Chandigarh, and then he worked in RAC Kurukshetra and then joined IIT Roorkee in June 1998, and since then he is serving at IIT Roorkee itself. Professor Arora has guided more than 75 MTech and 6 PhD students, and 7 more PhD students are working under him. He has published more than 125 research papers in international national journals, conferences of repute, and he has handled many sponsored and consultancy projects. Apart from his academics and research activities, Professor Arora, he is deeply dedicated to social activities and human values. He is a renowned orator and has delivered several hundred motivational talks to scientists, engineers, and students within India and abroad. He is the Honorable Director of Better Life Training Institute, Roorkee, and Honorable Editor of Monthly Journal on Human Values and Ethics. He has authored, edited several books, including मेरे पिता व मेरे बच्चे, नई सोच नया सवेरा, सोचें तो ऐसे सोचें, जीने की कला, शुभ कामना एक अचूक औषधि औषधि, श्रद्धा भाव, पहला कदम उच्च जीवन की ओर, faith healing, and Heathen, etc. It is a great privilege for all of us to welcome Professor Arora and listen to him today. Welcome, sir.
मैं आप सभी को, जितने विद्यार्थी हैं, उनके टीचर्स हैं, जो भी इस समय प्रेजेंट हैं, उन सबको प्रणाम करता हूं। और अपने मित्र राकेश जी, जो आपके डायरेक्टर हैं, बहुत अच्छे ह्यूमन बीइंग हैं अपने आप में। हमारा बहुत पुराना परिचय है, लगभग मोर देन 25 इयर्स। उन्होंने अच्छे शब्दों में मेरा परिचय करने की कोशिश की है। मैं कितना उसके काबिल हूँ नहीं कर सकता, लेकिन still I am thankful. He has given responsibility to discuss